So the first homework was, there is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted. That is a keep the park green and clean. If the sides of the walls are 15 meter, 11 meter, and 6 meter, then find the area painted in the color. So in this one, on the fourth question I gave, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are 18 centimeter and 20 centimeter, and I gave the perimeter of the particular triangle. Yes or no, children? So we'll see the third question answer. Third question answer, three sides, 50 meter, 11 meter, and 6 meter. So it is, perimeter is 15 plus 11 plus 6, it is 32. Semi-perimeter is 32 by 2, it is 16 meter. So any doubt, children? Then apply that S in the formula. S is 16 centimeter, A is 15, B is 11, C is 6. You can interchange A, B, C as 15, 11, 6 for anything. Then if you apply, you'll be getting 20 root 2 meter square. Am I clear, children? Required area to be painted is 20 root 2 meter square. Have you all got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see the fourth question answer, children. Any doubt in the third question answer?
No, ma'am.
Discussing here homework sum.
No, ma'am.
Next, fourth question answer. Fourth question answer, I gave perimeter. If perimeter is 42, semi-perimeter is 21. So here complete perimeter is, here A value, B value they gave. A plus B plus C is 42. So C value is 42 minus sum of 18 and 10. That is 42 minus 28. That is 14 centimeter. Then S value 21. Then S minus A is 21 minus 18. S minus B is 21 minus 10. And S minus C is 21 minus 14. So have you all got 21 root 11 centimeter square?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have doubt in the homework, children? In this 12
No, ma'am.
guys, there are 6 questions are there. So we first 2 I have done in the previous class, and the next 2 I gave as homework. Now we'll discuss 5th and 6th question. Am I clear, children? Okay, 5th question. Sides of triangle are in the ratio of 12:17:25, and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, we need to find the area of the triangle. They gave the ratio. They gave the ratio they gave. So what are to take these ratios? Let the ratio, sides of the ratios be 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540. Am I clear, children? So first perimeter, entire triangle perimeter they gave 540. Semi perimeter is half of that, 270. Am I clear, children? We don't know the exact side values. We don't know the exact side values, but they gave side values ratio they gave. So semi perimeter we got to know 540 divided by 2, it is 270. So we need to find the side values, sides of triangle. So take this as 12x plus 17x and 25x is equals to 540. So what will you get? 12 plus 17 plus 25?
54.
54x is equals to 540. What is the x value? 10. X value is 10. And what is the side values?
120, 130, 250.
Very good. Side values, 3 sides of triangle. 3 sides of triangle we are getting. So here x value we are getting 10. So sides of triangle are 12x. 12 into 10, 120. And another side is 170. And third side is 250. Any doubt in this, children? Shall we apply this Heron's formula? Here we got 3 sides, 120, 170, 250. So we'll apply this in the Heron's formula. Heron's formula is, so area of triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here 120 is, I'll take it as A, 170 I'll take it as a B, and 1250 I'll take it as C. So we'll just apply 270 into here 270 minus 120. How much, children? 150. And 270 minus 170, it is 100. And 270 minus 250, it is 20. So as I said, here we have got 270, 150, 100 and 20. Here, see here, 100 is a perfect square. I can take out as, I can write as 10 square. So here 270, 150 and 20, write this as product of prime numbers. So factorize, this we are getting 270. 27 is a product of 3 into 3 into 3. 27 is a perfect cube of 3 into 3 into 3. Then into 10. Am I clear, children? And 150 is a product of 3 into 5 into 10. And this 100 is a product of 10 into 10. I can write 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Then write this in the pair of same powers. So here there are 2 tens. I can take it as 10 square. Then here 1, 2, 3, 3 squares are there. 3 square, yeah, 4 are there. 3 square to 3 square. So pair of 5, 2 are there. 5 square, 2 square. Anyone have doubt in this one?
Ma'am, why 2 10 squares, ma'am? Only one, no, ma'am.
Here only one, yeah, 110 has to be here. It is,
Yes, ma'am.
so what we are getting here? 10 into 3 into 3, 900. And here 5 2s are 10. 9,000 root 10 we are getting. 10 into 10 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2 root 10. It is 9,000 root 10. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Here it is a printing mistake. Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
So same type of one more question is there, children. In example, I want all of them to take the sum and practice. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I clear, children?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Answer 9,000 is correct.
But root 10 should
Ma'am, there
come,
above
ma'am.
there should be another 10.
Here, one more 10 we need to insert. Here 100 is
Yes, ma'am.
10 into 10. Am I clear here? Here 110 is missed out. So answer 9,000 centimeters square is correct answer. Am I clear, children? Am I clear? See here. 270, 3 into 3 into 10. 150, 3 into 3 into 10. This 100, it should be a 10 into 10. So here only 110 is there. 110 is missing, but here this step is correct. Am I clear, children? So our fifth question answer is 9,000 square centimeter. Anyone have doubt in this sum?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next one then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. What do you mean isosceles triangle, children?
Two sides are equal.
Two
ma'am.
sides are equal.
An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30. Perimeter 30 means what is semi-perimeter value?
15.
15.
15.
15. And each of the equal sides is 12. So any two sides equal sides, I'm taking 12 and 12. Find the area of the triangle. So third side they have not given. So we'll assume the
Six,
third
ma'am.
side as x. So what is the value of the third side? Perimeter is 30 and two sides they gave 12. What is the third side?
6, ma'am. 6 centimeter.
12 plus 12 plus
A
x is
plus
equals to
B
30.
minus perimeter.
Yes.
6.
X is equals to 30 minus 24. So x value is 6.
6.
So we have got all three side values. So what are third side we got?
6 centimeter.
6 centimeter, ma'am. It is like 24 minus 30, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So Heron's formula is
24 minus 30.
area of triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We have got x value 6. Semi-perimeter is 15. Any doubt in the given data, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? I'm asking Ajay.
No doubt, ma'am. I was like, I got the answer, so I was telling, ma'am.
Okay, shall we apply these sides its values in the
Yes,
Heron's
ma'am.
formula? Fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ajay.
ma'am, is there right angle theorem in this chapter, ma'am?
That is
Some
right
root of
angle.
5. Yes, ma'am.
Not right angle. Triangle chapter is there. Okay, now we'll apply these values in area of triangle. So 15, 15 minus 12, 3. Again 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 6, 9. So 15 I write in the form of product of prime numbers, that is 5 into 6.
Down.
I'll write 15 and 9 as a product of prime numbers. So here I got 3 square and 3 square, but 1 5 and 1 3 doesn't have a pair of prime numbers. It doesn't get any pair. So these 3 square if we take out 9, 5 3s are 15. So answer is 9 root 15. So 1 is missing here. Answer is 9 root 15. Anyone have doubt, children? We'll go for the next main. Next main is completely based on application. In the beginning of the introduction class, I said Heron's formula. This Heron's formula we are applying in our daily life also. Yes or no, children? That we discussed in the beginning of the class. Can anybody tell me where we are applying this Heron's formula in a daily life? Just one or two examples.
Rectangular parks.
Very good.
Ma'am, in a triangular example is a triangular park, ma'am.
Yes. In daily life, I'm asking agricultural field. I gave you.
Triangular agricultural.
Very good. In agricultural land, when we are not getting the area of that.
Irregular.
Very good. Then quadrilateral. So when we are getting a quadrilateral, that time also we are dividing the quadrilateral and we can find the area of that. Am I clear, children? So today, exercise 12.2, it is based on application of Heron's formula in a daily life. You'll get to know where and all we are applying this Heron's formula in daily life. Okay? Through the sums. First question. A park in the shape of quadrilateral. See, first time only we're getting a park. Park is, it will come under our daily life for children. So we will get to know what is the area of this park. It is an angle symbol. So system has not taken the angle. Angle C value is 90 degree. AB value they gave. A to B it is 9 centimeter. B to C 12 centimeter. C to D 5 centimeter. And diagonal it is BD. Sorry, AD value they gave 8 centimeter. How much area does it occupy? See here, this diagonal BD divides this quadrilateral into two triangle. Am I clear, children? Divide the quadrilateral into two triangle. So you see this first triangle, triangle BDC. So here two triangles are there, triangle ABD and triangle BDC. See, first you observe triangle BDC. In triangle BDC, directly we can apply the formula. Area is equals to half into base into height. Because it is a right angle triangle, we've got base also, we have got height also. Quickly tell me the area of this triangle BDC, children.
Centimeter square.
30 centimeters square.
Centimeter square, ma'am.
Very good.
Meters. 30 meters square.
30 meters
Very
square.
good.
Meter square.
Anyone have doubt in the area of this getting triangle BDC?
No, ma'am.
Half into base into height. Half into 12 into 5. 12 and 2 will get cancelled. 6, 6 5s are 30. Okay. Next one is to find the area of triangle ABD. First, I need the value of this BD now, children.
Yes, ma'am.
How to get the value of BD now?
Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. What's the value?
Pythagoras
Pythagoras theorem says square of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Square of 12 is 144. Square of 5 is 25. 25 plus 144, 169.
Ma'am, 169, 139, 13.
Very
13
good.
square.
Square. It is 13 square, ma'am.
13 square. So what is the value of BD now?
13.
13. See, we have got the BD value 13. So then find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
area of this triangle ABD. After getting area of ABD, add both the triangle value, you will get area of this quadrilateral. Am I clear, children?
Yes,
Once
ma'am.
again repeat, triangle here, quadrilateral, this BD divides quadrilateral into two triangles. So here triangle BDC, it is a right angle triangle, this because angle C is 90. So in this triangle, we have got base and height. So by using area of triangle half into base into height, we got area of triangle BDC, that is 30 centimeter square. Okay, children. Then to find area of triangle ABD, so we don't have the value of BD. So for this right angle triangle, we'll apply Pythagoras theorem. Once we apply Pythagoras theorem, so this BD square is equals to, we are getting 13 square. So 13 square is BD value is 13. So once we get a triangle ABD, we got all three side values. So we'll apply Heron's formula for this triangle. Then we'll find the area of this triangle ABD. Any doubt in this sum?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Now we'll see the area of this triangle ABD now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Triangle ABD will apply Heron's formula. After applying, S value is see here. S value is 9 plus 8 plus 13. See here. Here, this AB side is 9, AD side is 8, and BD we got 13. So 9 plus 13 plus 8. How much we are getting? 9 plus
30, ma'am.
8 plus diameter is 15. So area of triangle ABD is 6 root 35. Am I clear, children? And
Yes, ma'am.
grade 8 audit people have learned how to find root 35 by using long division method. So you people just recall that once I did root 35 long division, I got 5.916. Up to 3 decimal I have done. Up to 3 decimal because root 35 is an irrational number. We know that irrational number is non-terminating and non-recurring. So it is up to 3
Ma'am.
taken the value 5.915 into 6. These 3 2s are 6.
Ma'am.
Yes, Charan?
Ma'am, I got 15.2 centimeter square.
Very good. Somebody was taking initiative to explain. So second question, I hope you have understood. Second question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I got the answer, ma'am.
Second question. Got the answer? Here, third question you observe. Here, see the picture. This aeroplane what Radha has made, it is divided into 1,